Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at drawing a stem and leaf plot for each data set. So let's begin. Alright, so to draw a stem and leaf, what you want to do is make a T-chart. And one side, unless it's indicated, will be your stem. And the other part is your leaf. Okay, and what you want to do is you want to put the main part to your data over here and then just an abbreviation on the right. So a good thing you want to do is you want to think of hundreds. And with hundreds, you want to work all the way to the comma. Anything past the comma, you want to use and round up. Okay? So we want to put it in order from the smallest to the greatest. Okay? So we take a look here, and our smallest number is going to be this 209,200. But it's a 20 in front. And we're going to work with these two digits and then use this 9 as the leaf part. And anything past the comma, we're going to round up. But first, let's just get the stem. So the stem is going to be 20. And then we look for the next one up. Okay. I don't see a 21, but I'm going to put one in its place. Okay. After that, we go up to 22, which we have. Do we have a 23? Yes. Okay, and looking for a 24, we do have a 24. And look to see if we have a 25. We do not. Okay, so we're going to look to the number to the right of the 20, which is 9. And then the number to the right, that's going to be the leaf. Then the number to the right of that, we look to see if we can round up or we just leave it off. So here, we're not going to round up. So we're going to say 20 and put a leaf of just 9. Okay, we don't have anything for 21. So we're just going to leave it blank. Okay, now for 22, we're going to look and see, and we'll put them in numerical order. Alright, I'm just going to circle all the ones that have a 22 in front of them. And that's it. Alright, so now we're going to take a look at those numbers, and the number to the right of these two here is 8. But to the right of that is 7, which is 5 or higher. So I'm going to round that up to a 9 and make both of those 9. And then I'm going to take this last one, and it's a 9. And it's not 5 or higher, so I'm going to leave it as a 9. Okay. Now we're going to do 23. Now with 23, we take a look, and I'm just going to square those up. So here's a 23, 23, 23, 23, another 23, and 23. All right. So now I'm going to put those in numerical order. The smallest one I have is this 0 here. So it's going to be 23 and a 0. Alright, let's see if I have any 23s with a 1. I do not. The next up is 23, 2. And both of those have zeros after those, so that's going to be 2 2s. Alright, after the 2, the next thing up is these 5s here. Okay, this one's the lowest. It's got a 0, so I'm just going to put a 5 for that one. But here, this has a 6, so I'm around that 5 up to a 6. And then finally, I have a 27. I should just say a 7. Okay, finally, I only have one left, which is this 24 with a 3 beside it. But that 9 is going to round it up to a 4, so that's going to make it 20. Well, should put 23. So let's put 4. Okay, so that leaves it as all my data put into the stem and leaf. So just to recap, remember, you want to work for 100, either like 100 out of just 3 digits or 100 from this thousands here. And anything past the comma, you use that to round it. Okay? Now, if you take a look at this example over here, we're going to work from these 2 digits here. So when we make our stem and leaf, we're going to have 1-digit numbers here, and we're going to take from past the comma and round that number up. So you can practice on that one. But for now, I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.